What's up, you guys? It's over here back with another video.
Mess up.
Did you hit it? Hi, you guys. So, I'm going to be vlogging at the beach today. This is Nyla. This is Josefina.
Hey guys.
I'm like, it's been a storm though. Like,
It is,
it was supposed to be a good day. Like, no storm, no nothing. But look at the sky. I don't know if you guys can see that, but look at the freaking sky.
Should I take my socks off? Take your slides off. Socks, nigga.
Stop.
Lift your thing up.
Y'all, so look, there's like a park over there. We're probably gonna go play over there. Probably gonna vlog that.
Stand more sideways.
And then we have the football. Probably gonna play some football. You know, some picnic stuff. So yeah,
No.
Nyla's taking pictures.
Like that.
So, no. So I'm still at the beach. I just didn't vlog us getting into the water. As you guys can see, I got darker. Very much darker.
And so did I. Looks like it.
Halsey.
Well, today, guys, was so much fun.
Ooh.
I had a lot of fun.
This is good lighting, you guys.
Today was a lot of fun.
Okay.
So, we were, well, while Zoe and Josefina was out there, I was sitting down like a
Yeah,
little person.
she was sitting down.
Because
But
I
she
was
could have vlogged us in the water, but she didn't. I couldn't.
wasn't
I wish I could
thinking
show you
about
guys. Like, I don't know, because I don't want to, like, cut the recording and turn this around. But, like, if you see back there, that's where the beach is. And then this is where the park. Probably going to record us playing in the park. Should I record it? It was fun.
I had a good time. We took lots of videos and pictures.
Probably gonna. I might insert some.
That would be great if you did.
The video, if it
it's like a beach
end up
day.
being long enough, but yeah, it
Yeah,
be
you
just
should.
like a beach
Like
day.
a beach day.
I don't know if this video gonna be long enough though.
It should be, but.
Tell them.
Yo, guys, hey, so we're getting ready to play.
So you guys, we're getting ready to play at the playground.
She just left y'all hanging.
She get on my nerves.
What are you doing?
I have no idea. Hi, you guys. Yeah. Look at Josefina. She wanted to chill in the seesaw, so that's what we're gonna do.
Like you said, there's no point of talking if you guys are feeling like embarrassing. Oh my god. What is that for? Yo.
ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yo. They're embarrassing, like totally embarrassing. So much embarrassing, yo. Like so much embarrassing. You guys are embarrassing. I'm tired.
So, we need to play football so we can record us getting some football action.
Yeah, let's play some football.
So you guys, I'm leaving the beach now. Gonna head home. Got darker, but it's whatever. Say hey, Arlene.
Hey, y'all.
I'm so tired. So you guys, I'm back home. I went to go get some ice cream. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the ultimate sundae. We're gonna put some cookies in there, and some ice cream. And take strawberry syrup. What? You're gonna put the strawberry syrup in there. That's how you make the ultimate sundae. Look at that. Look at that. Add a little bit more. That's how you make the ultimate sundae. Try it, guys. Try it. So it's vanilla ice cream, strawberry syrup, and warm chocolate chip cookies. Look at this. Look at this. So you guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And see you guys in the next video. Bye. Guys, that was a good video.